Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Faith.
Yeah, my name is Michael. M to the I to
Yeah.
the K to the E.
That's Mike.
You know what it is.
That's Mike. You just
Whatever.
spelled Mike. Anyway, well, we are the Stalwart lovers. If you're new here, thank you for coming. It's so nice to see your face for the first time. Please click on that subscribe
Are
button.
you really seeing their faces though?
I'm seeing their face.
It's so nice to be in your faces for the
Okay,
first
so
time.
nice to be in your faces. And yeah, today is a special video. Let me just put it that way.
Yeah.
This is a vlog, an outing, you know,
Basically, we just decided to go out
our siblings.
and say let's vlog it. So our siblings are here. Let them see
Say hi to
their
the
face.
camera now.
Hi guys.
You guys like this fine boy at the back. If you need his number, just let me know. $200 query. And this is Delight, of course. You guys know Delight.
Yeah.
Delight. So yeah, we're going back skating. You guys saw our skating video where that's our anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
Where we went to skate the first time, and we're just Jordan Moline. In English term, we're knocking bum bum on the floor.
I'm not even sure I remember how to skate anymore.
Yeah, so we're going again.
So
Let's see if some people have picked up their skills or they're using it to shop a bar, you know. But then yeah, it's gonna be fun, and we'll do a couple of other things.
Yeah, guys.
Catch you guys.
Catch you guys later.
Yeah, we out here. Some people are already terrified. No, Delight. Please, you have to leave that your phone very soon.
I hope I don't fall.
You hope you don't fall. Okay, let's do this. I almost failed it, but no.
So we are done with all our games and fun and everything. I think it was really fun. Like,
Yeah, I think
do you
we had a
guys
fun
enjoy
time.
yourselves?
Samuel is the one that enjoyed himself the most.
Yes.
I agree. I found my
The light
bottom
just
found
kept.
the floor.
The bottom on the floor too many times.
Too many times.
But someone was literally, although it fell too, but
At least he was
really picked
able
it up
to
fast,
pick
like,
up the skill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
could
Yeah.
really pick it fast. So
The light just kept giving up.
the light just kept giving us.
I
like,
can't
she
do
was-
this anymore.
I like soft life.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, so if you enjoyed the video, please click on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and give us a thumbs up. Yeah, I mean, it will help our video, reach more people and
Smash
stuff.
it.
Yeah, and drop a comment. What do you think of our skating? What do you think?
I'll
Anyway,
promise to come one more time.
honestly, we will try
But I
to
did-
come.
I was
It was
better
really
today.
fun. Yes, and it was literally like I picked up from where I stopped the last time.
Yeah.
So it was good. It was good. All right, guys. Till we come here again,
Keep loving.
and keep believing.
We are
The
Stalwart
Stalwart lovers.